This is 90 Seconds with AFS. Few brands will hit their pure electric targets, as they need to convert hundreds of thousands of buyers to the idea that an EV perfectly replaces their current model. Rolls-Royce, however, only needs to find a few thousand buyers, and the appeal of an all-electric Rolls-Royce is obvious. Claimed on their website, this is the beginning of an era that will see an entire model portfolio electrified by 2030. The new Spectre is setting a clear path toward the marque's first all-electric decade. Royce and Charles Rolls set a goal to build the best car in the world. Famed automotive writer Ken Purdy wrote that the Rolls is not only the best car the world has ever seen, it is probably the best piston-engine car the world will ever see. Blending the modern electric drivetrain with the elegance of a Rolls-Royce seems to create the car that Sir Royce would envision today. There's a limit to how smooth and powerful a piston engine can be. A modern BEV has advantages over the V12 engine with its inherent smoothness and its quiet delivery with all that power. Up from the 563 horsepower from the twin-turbocharged engine, the Spectre produces 430 kilowatts of electric power, or about 577 horsepower. As emissions tighten around Rolls-Royce's big cars, BEVs will be necessary. The 5,400-pound Wraith Coupe consumes a gallon of gas every 12 miles while polluting 624 grams of CO2 every mile and needs to be refueled every 263 miles. Based on the WLTP test cycle, the 6,600-pound Spectre with 0 grams of CO2 tailpipe emissions can travel up to 323 miles on a single charge. The Spectre is just the start of the next era of Rolls-Royce. For more detailed information on this and the whole automotive industry, check out the Auto Forecast Monthly. I'm Sam Ferrari. This has been 90 Seconds with AFS.